Here's how to install Duolingo as a desktop app on your PC or laptop. This method requires Microsoft Edge. It will not work in Chrome or other browsers because Edge is required to install progressive web apps on Windows. If you do not have Edge, you can download it by searching Microsoft Edge Download in any browser. Open Microsoft Edge and go to Duolingo.com. Once on the site, click the three dots in the top right corner, select Apps, and click Install Duolingo. Click Install to confirm. Duolingo will install as a standalone app with its own window. If the app does not appear on your desktop after installation, go back to the Duolingo app in Edge, click the three dots, select App Settings, and click Create Desktop Shortcut. The icon will now appear on your desktop for quick access anytime. The desktop app keeps Duolingo separate from your browser tabs, which makes it easier to stay consistent with your daily practice without it getting lost among other open tabs. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on Step by Click.